I have a Fitbit Luxe watch or tracker here. I'm going to show you how to sync, how to pair, unpair, especially if you guys have issues with where you're not able to sync or pair, meaning pair the tracker to your Fitbit app. Now I'm going to give you guys many different solutions to get you up and running, okay? I'm basically going to go over the most common fixes, okay? So first thing is, let me just open up my Fitbit app here. And let me go ahead and sync it. So if I'm on today here, I can slide down. It's syncing your Luxe. And some of you guys may have an issue where it doesn't actually sync, okay? So mine's going in there. Sync is complete. Just really quickly, another way that you can sync it is if you tap on your photo avatar here, and under account, you tap on Luxe. And then right down here, or somewhere down here, it should say sync now. You can go ahead, and tap that and sync it that way as well. So let's say, again, you're having some kind of sync issues, it doesn't sync or it doesn't pair. So first thing is this, okay? What I want you to do is just go directly to your Bluetooth settings. So I'm gonna go to my settings here. And I'm gonna go to my Bluetooth here. And with the Bluetooth, is just go ahead and turn it off. Wait 3 seconds, turn it back on. Okay, now go back and see if it'll sync or pair or whatnot, okay? If it still doesn't, if you're still not able to sync or pair, then the next thing I want you to do is this. Go ahead and completely close the Fitbit app. Okay, so how do you close it? I mean, you can't just do this. If I just swipe, if I just do that, that's not actually closing it. It's still running in the background. So for those of you guys have an Android phone, you may see 3 lines down here. If you tap on that, this is all of your recents menu here. So that's all the apps that are running in the background. So if you want to close it, just swipe up. That's a Fitbit app, swipe up. Now if you have an iPhone or another Android phone, some of them you have to go from the bottom here. If you slide up halfway, and if you slide up halfway, and then you'll get a bunch of open windows that are up, that are currently you get a bunch of apps that are currently running in the background. Just find the Fitbit and swipe up or click the X mark to totally close it out. After you do that, go ahead and reopen the Fitbit app and see you're able to sync or pair or whatnot. If you're still down, then the next thing that you can do is go ahead and restart your phone. So restart your phone or wherever your Fitbit app is on. And also while you're restarting this, go ahead and grab your Fitbit watch, grab the charger, make sure it's plugged in somewhere, and then go ahead and pop it on here. Okay, let it charge, and now you see that there's a button here on your USB charger. What I want you to do is tap that button 3 times and do it like this: 1, 2, 3. Okay, don't do 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we'll do it together. Okay, and what this is going to do is basically force you to restart it. You're not going to lose any data. Okay, so here's that little button right on here. So ready? 1, I felt it vibrate. 2, vibrated. 3, it vibrated. Now just wait and let it restart on its own, okay? This will take maybe 10 seconds. I just felt it vibrate, it turned off. Now we should see the logo, Fitbit logo appear. Give it a little bit longer. It should vibrate and turn on. Vibrated, turn on, there you go. And hopefully your phone is now booted back up. Open up the Fitbit app and go ahead and try to sync it and do your thing. Now, if you're still having issues with pairing or syncing, the next thing I want you to do is this. Go ahead and open up your Fitbit app again. And then on the avatar, top left-hand side, let's tap on that. And then let's go back to where it says Luxe right here. Let's tap on Luxe. And now what we're gonna do is we're going to, oops, sorry. Let's just go back here. Go back here where it says account, and then just scroll down and it says log out, okay? So go ahead and tap on that, log out. So basically you're gonna log out of your Fitbit app. Once you log out, go ahead and log back in, put your password in as well. And then once you're logged in, go ahead and see if you're able to sync or pair from there. Now, if you're still having issues, the next thing I want you to do is go ahead and open up your Fitbit app again. Tap on your top left-hand side, tap on your avatar photo, and then tap on Luxe down here. And now what I want you to do is go ahead and remove the Luxe, okay? Totally remove it, unpair everything, and then we're gonna repair it back, okay? If you have an Android phone, to remove it, you wanna click up here, the little trash can, and click on Unpair. If you have like an iPhone, I have iPhones that hooked up to my my other Fitbits. I would have to scroll down here, and somewhere like down here it says Remove Luxe. Just tap on that to remove it. Okay. Anyway, this is an Android phone. What I want to do is totally unpair it. It says Unpair here. Okay. So now it's totally gone. So now what I'm going to do is this now. I'm going to go ahead and set up a device, just like as you just bought it brand new. So set up a device, and then we're going to go with Luxe here. We're going to go Setup. Make sure that it's plugged in too. Let's go ahead and accept. Got to make sure it's plugged in. Click on Next here. Searching for Luxe. Okay, it found it. Let's see if it gives us a 4-digit code here. Mine is 181815. It's connecting. Give us a little bit. It says pairing now. Okay, and I get a thing. Bluetooth pairing request. Pair with Luxe. I'm gonna tap on pair right there. So I'm basically repairing back. And I'm link Fitbit with Luxe. I'm gonna click on OK right here. And this purchase, I don't need this. I'm going to click on Not Now. And then let's go to this quick tutorial here. You know how to do everything. Slide up, slide down, move left and right. Click on Done. And now we just basically removed it and put everything back. And there you go. Anyway, one of these steps should have worked for you guys. If this worked for you, let me know which step worked for you, which step you think worked for you. If it didn't work for you, then just give me a dislike, okay? Anyway, good luck, guys. Sorry, one more thing. If you went through the whole video and it didn't work, go ahead and do all the steps again. Try it 2 or 3 more times, and then maybe that'll get you up as well. Sometimes third time is a charm, all right? Good luck.